Folks, new construction is always popular. People love a brand new house, don't they?
They do, but there are a lot of good positive notes to buy a house that's been built for at least 1 to 3 years.
So today, we're going to talk about the benefits of why would you want to buy a house that's maybe 1 to 3 years old. We call it certified pre-owned.
Certified pre-owned, already been checked out and make sure it still works.
That's right. I mean, look, if you go to a car dealer, you buy a used car, you got no idea what's going on with that thing. But if it's certified pre-owned, it's typically only a couple years old, not a lot of mileage on it. Everybody knows exactly what's going on with it, and the dealership's telling you this is a great house. That's what we're talking about here today.
You meant car, but yeah, we're gonna do house today.
Yeah. You know what I mean.
Yeah.
First up, let's talk about the price. Oftentimes, when you buy a house that's a couple years old, the seller is gonna be more negotiable on the price, and sometimes they'll even be more reasonable and price it below what the builder will actually sell you this home for, which can be a huge advantage, especially in this market, because as we know, prices have done nothing but go up for the last 5 years straight.
This is true, but this leads us to number 2, the upgrades of the house. Many houses that have already been constructed and have lived in for at least 1 to 3 years, they're already gonna have blinds, some will have fences, as you can see around here. Some will even have a backyard patio, fire pit. They'll have upgrades that builders will never give you.
In fact, we are standing under this pavilion, this gazebo, I don't know what you call it, of a home that's only 2 years old. Under our feet are expertly laid pavers. There's a path back there with pavers that leads to a beautiful fire pit area. This is something you're not gonna get from a builder.
No, builder will never do this for you.
No, and if they did do it, they would charge you a ton more than just getting people to do it for you.
Exactly.
All right, y'all, number 3. No construction zone, typically. So you get into a house that's 2 or 3 years old, typically they're done with construction already, and you don't have to worry about all the stuff that goes on. You don't have to worry about screws and nails in the road, noise going on right next door. And even in neighborhoods like this one where, truthfully, they're still building houses in the neighborhood, but as far as I can see in this yard and as far as I can see in that yard, they're finished building. So this particular home, they don't have to worry about it.
No,
there's no crews in front of their house. There's no noise next door. That can be a big advantage for people who just want to move in and live.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about all that extra sound around it. But this leads us to number 4, timeline. Instead of waiting 6 to 9 months for the builder to finish your dream home, you have 30 days to get in it as soon as possible. There's not much time that has to be wasted. After you go under contract, in 30 days, you're moving in.
That's huge.
Very big timeline.
Because what can delay construction? Weather. What else?
Materials, back orders, things like that.
Labor issues. You get sick. I just actually had a guy call me yesterday. This is not new construction. He's refinishing his floors because he wants to list with us. And he said, listen, my hardwood flooring guy broke his knee or something, and he's out. And he needed a guy to go out and refinish his hardwoods because it's going to push his timeline back.
Yeah.
Now, luckily, look, we know people.
Yeah.
We got a guy for all that stuff. So we hooked him up. It's getting done anyway. But when you're working with a construction crew, it doesn't matter who you know or we as your agents. It doesn't matter who we know.
No, that's who they know.
It's who the builder knows, because the builder don't care who we know.
Mm-mm.
So timeline is huge.
Very big.
All right, guys, number 5, here we go. Builder warranties. A lot of these homes, especially from reputable builders, they're going to have warranties on them still. At the very least, you will have typically, you'll have a 10-year structural warranty from the builder.
Yeah.
And that transfers typically to the new homeowner in that first 10 years. So you're covered. You have that warranty. Now look, if we were their agents, we would still recommend like a 210 home warranty, because that covers appliances, AC units, things like that, that after 2 or 3 years, they may not be under warranty anymore.
Yep.
We don't know that. Every builder is going to be a little different. We build houses, we offer really strong warranties.
Yep.
But as your agents, we would want to make sure that
we still want to cover you.
Yeah, we want you to be covered, and the builder's going to cover you with the structural warranty.
Exactly. And at this point, you can actually see the benefits of why you would want to move into a house that's been built for at least 1 to 3 years. It's established, a lot of the heavy lifting has been taken care of for you, timeline is short. You've got a lot of great benefits to where you're not waiting on the house to be built.
So folks, listen, if you're trying to decide you don't know which way to go, just reach out.
Yeah, we're here to help you guys.
That's what we're here to do. We're here to help you guys. We're happy to answer all your questions, whether it's new construction, whether it's a 1 to 3 year old house. They might want a 30 or 40 or 50-year-old house.
Yeah, I mean, it's your call.
We can help you navigate
Yeah.
that. Your timeline, your budget, your needs always come first. And that's just how we operate.
That's how we do things. But guys, I just want to say thank you very much for watching this video with us. Hit that like button to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and we're here to help you.
Y'all stay tuned. I'm Adrian.
And I'm Bob.
And we're the Georgia Property Brothers.